Hello, good morning. Hi friends, how are you man? Morning dear. Yeah, good morning. Yeah. You all have got the material? Good morning Amina, Zara, Deepika, Tejashwini, Shweta, Prakriti, and Namrata, Deepika. Yeah. Oh, thank you. I'm not a doctor actually. I have done my doctorate. Happy Doctor's Days for the doctors, physicians. Okay. Good. Thanks. Anyway, because my name starts with doctor. Okay. Thank you, Prakriti. Good morning. Good morning, Lakshmi. You all have got notes, the book with you? Transcend? You all have Transcend with you? Okay, fine. Yeah. So others, Carmel students were complaining that they never had it. Do you have you got it now? Carmel children, have you got the book or the material? At least I told them to send you. Did you get that material? Yeah, Carmel people are saying no, ma'am. Carmel people, I asked the person to send you the material, and if you're not got, it's not my issue. I told actually very clearly, Carmel people, actually the Somshekar sir was having it. We didn't get it, ma'am. I don't know, ma'am. I have sent actually. He said yes, he's sending the soft copy to you, all of you. Okay. So I just can't do anything. If you have the Zenith material, at least you keep it with you. Okay, Zenith you must be having. You didn't get it. I don't know. We are not getting physical book nowadays, but physical book is available in the college. Somchekar sir will be there in the college. If you go, you can get it from him, your coordinator. Okay. Otherwise, soft copy you should have. I'll read the questions and don't ask me to read again and again. I will read the questions and then based on that I'll answer. Because otherwise it will just continue like this. And you should have done some trials or some efforts to take the Transcend, no? Have you contacted office and all regarding this? Yes, ma'am, we didn't got the message from college to collect them after contacting sir. Yeah, you should get it now. College person was having the person, our coordinator sir will be there, no? You could have gone and collected from him, right? So this is what I expect you also to work, no? Before I start this, almost 3 chapters over, and you have not got the Transcend is something big issue. Yeah, you should get it. Okay, you should get it. Nisarga, good morning, ma. Good morning, Nisarga. So how are you all now today? Doing well? Okay, fine. And one more request for all of you is you put your DP for your mobile so that I can recognize all of you. I am good, ma. You are fine, Nisarga, fine. Okay. So all of you, I request you by tomorrow when you get into the mobile, no, you put your DP, your own photo, no, like ID card. Okay. So that I can talk to you directly. I know who are you and all. Our students I know mostly, but all the Kabul students I can't identify, and even Oxford students are unable to identify. So at least I want your face should be there so that I can talk to you. Like I feel that I'm talking to your faces, right? Rather than your names. Your names with the photo. Okay? And tomorrow, now if possible, you can do it. Or else by tomorrow you do it. You can do it. Yesterday I did ask like this for the other students. They did immediately. Their pictures came on the photo. Their pictures came on the screen. Okay. Okay, I think you can do it. Right? You people know all technology very well compared to me. Okay, fine. So let's now talk about the question. Good afternoon, Sanjay. So Sanjay is here. How are you, Sanjay? Good. Okay. Had your breakfast and all? It's a very convenient time for you. Ma'am, will you do transcend? Yes, dear, I'm doing transcend. See, I have got it here. Transcend. Transcend human health and diseases. Okay. Okay. So what I do is some of the students are saying that they have not got the transcend with them. What I do is I read the question. Instead of you just keep answering, you listen to the question also and answers also. Do you understand this? Some of the carbon children are not having it. So for them it will help. Is it fine? Sanjit? Okay, let's begin. Okay, weather is too cloudy, right? So that's why it is like this. Okay, if you used to come to the college, you used to get ready and all come now. Now you have to get ready and sit at home. I don't know whether Sanjit and others have got ready and sitting or just waking up, 9 is getting up and sitting in the front of the computer. I don't know. Normally girls will do, I hope so. I don't know about boys. Have you done that? Right? And one more request to all of you. Suppose I'm saying that all of you should stay back stay till the end. It's not for any particular people. It's for everybody, those who live in between. Because I'm observing starting how many will be there. So later suddenly some of them will drop out. Right? So we'll do one thing. I'll give you the numbers. Keep the numbers with in your mobile. Like Aditi is there, number 1. I'll write roll number 1. Can you include that? I don't know. Number 1. Amina is number 2. Like that. Can you do that? So that I can understand who is just simply coming and going and some of them are staying till the end. Because some of you people are not answering will be there. I can't understand who is leaving the group. Okay? We'll do that. So Aditi and all, Aditi, you write your number next when you log in. Along with your name, you put number 1. Okay? Aditi is there. Where is Aditi? Aditi. Aditi is number 1. Amina is number 2. Ananya is number 3. Archana is number 4. Bhumika is number 5. Next Chaitra 6. Chaitanya 7. Then Chandan 8. Chinmayi 9. Chinmayi 9 aita. Chinmayi 9 admele Chitra 10. Dikshita in a time ago tanka mugisbirtene nanu. Dikshita yav number 11 na ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಈಗ ಚೈತ್ರ ನೀವು ಹೆಸರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ number 1 number 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ so let me see Aditi is writing number 1 many are not there ma'am ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ರು ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬಂದಿರೋರು ಬೇರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಿ ಗೌಡ ಸರಿನಾ so otherwise 120 members ಬರೋ ತನಕ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಆಯ್ತಾ they're still joining okay good Nisarga let them all join so 120 number ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೀವು ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಯಾರು ಬಂದ್ರು ಯಾರು ಹೋದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರೋರು ನೇಮ್ ಇರೋರು ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಓಕೆ still joining that's okay fine then so let's now begin with the man in health and diseases okay human health and diseases chapter ಮಾಡೋಣ Let's begin with the first question. Okay, Carmel children, you listen to the question carefully and you can answer. Okay, don't ask me to repeat the question again and again because you don't have the book. I'm reading the questions. Okay, questions I'm reading. Pratibha. First one, which of the following are the 2 infectious and non-infectious diseases respectively? Then those who are given below, 2 along 1 ಇದೆ which among the 2 are infectious or non-infectious diseases. First option is the A option only, typhoid and AIDS. Is that the right answer? Other people can also answer. Nisarga, don't write the answer because many don't have the books. Did you get Nisarga? Okay, dear. So is first A number, A is showing one infectious, one non-infectious. Typhoid with AIDS early, yav infectious, yav non-infectious. Answer to my question. AIDS, appa magwe. Lakshmi, I have not yet given all the answers. Do you understand my language? ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. Okay, both are infectious. Good. Second option says AIDS and cancer. Is that AIDS and cancer? One is infectious, one is non-infectious. Sweta is saying yes, ma'am. Let me see Carmel children. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Because they don't have book, they should answer properly. Next, third one says pneumonia and malaria. Pneumonia, malaria. And now tell me the causal organism in each of them. Okay. Pneumonia causal organism is ready. Don't want to write the infectious and all. Pneumonia and malaria causal organism. Streptococcus pneumonia for pneumonia. Then malaria yadu. Malaria yadu. Malaria is Plasmodium vivax. Okay. So both are infectious disease. Last one says cancer and malaria. Fourth option says cancer and malaria. Cancer is in non-infectious. Then out the first infectious and non-infectious. Hagage, idu not right option. Option number B is right. Okay, got it? Okay, yak option B anta helta. Done. Second question. Okay, first question is done. Second question is typhoid fever in human beings is caused by causal organism keltare. Even hudukbedi answer direct barili. I will not read all the options. Salmonella typhi, good. Carmel children also are writing, good. Salmonella typhi. Next, first option kottidare Plasmodium vivax anta. Adhe cause madutte. First option alli Plasmodium vivax ante. What is that causing? Good. Malaria. Erane option alli Trichophyton ante. What is that causing? Trichophyton ಏನು cause ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Trichophyton is a ringworm disease. It causes ringworm. Good. It causes ringworm. ನಾಲ್ಕನೇದು rhinovirus ಇದೆ. What is that causing rhinovirus? Fourth option, rhinovirus. Rhinovirus causes common cold. Okay, correct. Fine. So the option should be Salmonella typhi. Are you okay with this way of answering? All of you are fine with this? Carmel students and those who have not got the book also, are you okay with this? Okay, fine. Done. Next, third question. I'll read the third one. Okay. Carefully you listen. I will not repeat it. Okay. Listen. Which of the following statements regarding the disease typhoid is correct? I am going to read some of the statements regarding typhoid. Which are right statements. First option, first statement, Salmonella typhi are the pathogenic bacteria which enter the human intestine through the contaminated food and water and migrate to the other organs through blood. Is it a right statement? Is it true statement? Yes. So, what the first statement says, Salmonella typhi, pathogenic bacteria which enters the human intestine to contaminate food and water and migrate to the other organs to the blood. It's a true statement. Second statement, ಎರಡನೇ statement ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Sustained high fever, 39 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade, weakness, stomach pain, constipation, headache, and loss of appetite are some of the common symptoms of typhoid. Is this a right statement? Okay, let me see. Carmel children, write the statement what I told. Second statement, very nodana. Let me see second statements. Book or bag veda. Book there or barili. AC or en bekagilla heladu. The carnal people, if you don't have the book, no, did you listen to me properly? You please answer. What is that second statement saying? High fever, constipation, very good dear Chandana. Headache are very common symptoms. High fever up to 39 to 40 degrees. Very good. That's right. That's a state. That's a good one for stomach pain, prolonged headache, constipation, etc. Good. So, ಎರಡು correct. ಮೂರನೇ statement. Third statement. Typhoid vaccine is available as DPT vaccine. Is DPT for typhoid? Typhoid ಗೆ DPT vaccine ತಗೋಬಹುದಾ? DPT ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೋತಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ? All of you can answer now. AC children also. What for DPT vaccine is taken? Vaccination ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂತಾರಲ್ಲ kids ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, baby ಇದ್ದಾಗ DPT ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೋತಾರೆ? ಮೂರೂನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಚಂದನ, ಮೂರು ಬರಿ. D ಯಾವುದು, P ಯಾವುದು, T ಯಾವುದು? DPT ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ vaccines? Diphtheria, whooping cough and tetanus is a good answer, Prakriti. Diphtheria, P ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? P ಅಂದ್ರೆ pertussis, DP. T ಅಂದ್ರೆ tetanus. Pertussis ಅಂದ್ರೆ whooping cough. Okay, write that word only. Diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus. DPT. Are you getting it? DPT vaccination ಈ ಮೂರು ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ. Diphtheria, pertussis ಅಂದ್ರೆ whooping cough, and then last ಯಾವುದು? Tetanus. Pertussis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ, ಸಾರಿ, pertussis ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Symptoms ಏನು pertussis ಗೆ? Pertussis, what is the symptom? ಬರೀ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಓಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಹೇಳಿ. What is the symptom of pertussis? Let me see. Cough, sore throat. Okay. Whooping cough ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? You know what is that whooping cough called? Just not cough. Whooping cough ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಯಿ ಕೆಮ್ಮು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ನಾಯಿ ಕೆಮ್ಮು ಅಂತಾರೆ. You know what is ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Crowing sound. Dog cough. Correct. ನಾಯಿ ಕೆಮ್ಮು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಮ್ಮಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮೋ ಅಂತ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ. That is the major one. Whooping cough. Tetanus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. Tetanus, what happens in tetanus? Tetanus ಬಂದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Okay, let me see. Tetanus, hoarse voice and lower jaw get locked. Lock ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ, right? And apart from that, the jaw, lower jaw lock ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Why we call this as a tetanus? Tetanus ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Body will listen. Body will bend like a bow. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಧನುರ್ವಾತ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಧನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಲ್ಲು. Muscular spasm of the neck and the back. ಹಿಂಗಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಬಾಡಿ. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಲಗಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಹಿಂಗಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಬಾಡಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ we call it as the ಧನುರ್ವಾತ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಧನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಲ್. ಧನುರ್ವಾತ ಅಂತಾರೆ. Are you getting it? How do you get tetanus? What is the transmission agent? Who will transmit tetanus? How you get tetanus? Tetanus ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Through the cuts, horse gut. Okay, horse gut ಇಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ. Tetanus, oh my god, it is the bacteria found in the soil. ಬರೀ ಕಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೋ ಕೈ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಟನಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. If you fall on the ground, on the soil, it's a soil borne bacteria ಅದು. Okay, dirt ಅಲ್ಲ, soil ಇಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Soil borne bacteria ಅದು. Therefore you get it through the, not rust enters. Zara rust ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ರಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Pathogen will be there in the soil. It enters through the soil. ಓಕೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೆರೆಬ್ರೋಸ್ಪೈನಲ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫೋಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೌತ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆದಾಗ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು their mouth will produce the foam. That's what is chitinous. Okay, did you get it? Okay, next we'll go to the next question. So is that is the third option. Third question, third and third, you listen. Two statements ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ವಾ listen. Third statement is that typhoid vaccine is available as DPT vaccine. Correct or tappa? Is it right option or wrong option? Tetanus vaccine, no, it's a wrong option because DPT is not for typhoid. It's a wrong option. Next, the patient of this disease is not required to be treated with antibiotics. Then those who are getting typhoid cannot be treated with the antibiotics and health. Is it right or wrong? Statement 4 is also wrong. So which are the right statements then? 4 statements are right. Some statements are right, 1 and 2 are right. Good. That's good, Lavanya. Right. So therefore, in the option given, 1, 2 are the right options. But if 1, 2 right option, A option is it. But mark C and it's A option right. Okay. A option is showing 1 and 2 are the right statements. Got it? Got it. We have fifth. In fifth. What Lakshmi fifth? I didn't. Fifth is correct. Yeah, nangu ide. Fifth adondu ಓದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Fifth option ಒಂದು ಇದೆ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ. I had forgotten. Good. Fifth option says blood culture test is more effective test for diagnosis of typhoid fever than Vidal test. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದು ಒಳ್ಳೆದೇನೆ ಸೊ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನೆ that is also right. Fifth option also is right. 1 to 5 are right. There is no 1 to 5. Yeah, there is option C. C options has 1, 2 and 5. Okay, fine. So the 6C option is having 1 to 5. Correct. Fourth question. Select the correct option to fill up the blanks. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ fill in the blanks ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. Diseases which are easily transmitted from one person to another person are called dash diseases. Answer ಮಾಡಿ fourth question ಗೆ. ಒಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ what do you call such diseases? Diseases are communicable diseases. Good. Second option, in human body, parasite of malaria initially multiplies within the dash and then attack dash. Malarian parasite first ಒಂದು ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು dash area ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗೋದು dash area ನಲ್ಲಿ first dash is liver, second dash is RBC. Okay, good. Next, third statement, virus infected cells secrete proteins called dash. Virus secreting cells ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. What we call them? Interferons. ಬಹ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ? Interferons ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲು. Interferons ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What are interferons? Let me see. We are going to write it properly. What are interferons? Ma'am, proteins alla. What proteins? There are a lot of proteins. Gramal protein irutte, eggal protein irutte. Aa protein ಹೆಸರೇನು? That's why don't be very bookish here. You learn other things also. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What proteins are there? No Jivika. Tell me the right name of the proteins. Interferons ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ interferons ಅಂತಾರೆ? Hey yaar, Shweta, what is this proteins used to treat cancer? Listen all of you. See, whenever the virus attacks humans, no, what happens? Every cell will produce some protein that can kill the virus. They are called as interferons. They are actually antiviral glycoproteins. Understand this? These are called antiviral glycoproteins. Did you understand this? Okay. What are interferons then? Interferons are antiviral glyco. Yes, ma'am. Interferons are antiviral glycoproteins. I'll barcomedy and book barcomedy side ke. Antiviral glycoproteins. Listen, I'll tell you about this. So whenever there is a viral infection, one cell attack aadme, that cell start producing interferons. So body will natural iruttide, right? We will have it. These antiviral glycoproteins are not enough to tackle that virus so many times. Therefore, that cell, in that cell, the virus will multiply. Okay. Amale the break aagi aache bandbidutte cell na nearby cells will produce again the same antiviral glycoprotein, so the virus cannot attack the next cell immediately. Did you understand what I'm saying? I'm saying our body itself will produce this antiviral glyco, not glycol. Ritya, glycoproteins, not glycol proteins. Bardra, interferons are antiviral glycoproteins produced in every cell as a defense mechanism for viral infection. Did you write? Okay, fine. Next, fourth statement. Dash is a yellowish fluid secreted by the mother during the initial stage of child birth. Parturition. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಗು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂಥರ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀದಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ lactation. Did you correct the option? It is not location, it is the lactation. Lactation. You too modified. It's called colostrum, right? Colostrum ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಂಟಿಬಾಡೀಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. That is how exactly we get immunity, how we are to fight against pathogens by birth only. All this is what is there in the future chapters, right? But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಈ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? So colostrum is the answer. But what is the colostrum answer? What for your written? Colostrum. Romana, tell me. What is colostrum then? Let me expect. I am expecting the whole sentence for colostrum. What is colostrum? Colostrum. Come on, let me see. Colostrum. Colostrum is thick yellow colored milk produced in initial stages of childbirth. Okay, that is rich in antibiotics. Write that also. That is rich in antibiotics. More antibiotics in the okay, by the mammary glands. Magu huಟ್ಟಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅಮ್ಮ ಫೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ colostrum, right? And it is rich in antibiotics. Even in ಹಸುಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ colostrum. ಅದು ಕಾವಿಂಗ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ colostrum ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Colostrum. Did you get it? So that's a colostrum we are getting. Next, dash and dash are the primary lymph organs. Okay, ginnu anತಾರೆ correct. Lakshmi correct. ginnu ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Animals ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮನುಷ್ಯರಲ್ಲೂ ginnuನೇ. ಗಿಣ್ಣು ಹಾಲು ಗಿಣ್ಣಿನ ಹಾಲು ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. Now, fifth statement says dash and dash are the primary lymphoid organs. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನೇ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಮುಂದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Bone marrow ಮತ್ತೆ thymus, that is right, but I will explain you in future. ಅರ್ಧನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. So, option in all of them is B. Sorry. Next, fifth one. Which of the following is mismatched pair of the drug? Drug na ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ. Drug question ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. Fifth question. Drug ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. So fifth question ಬಿಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಗೆ infectious diseases ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Sixth question ನೋಡಿ. Which of the following factor affects human health? First, infections, silent mutations, lifestyle, genetic disorder. Now I will ask you one after another. Infections will not affect the following factor affect the human health. Right? ಯಾವ್ದು affect ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Infections affect ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Silent mutations ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? What are silent mutations? ಕೇಳೋಣ ನೋಡೋಣ. Silent mutations ನೆನಪಿದ್ಯಾ? ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಳಿದಿನಲ್ವಾ ನಾನು ಮ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜೆನೆಟಿಕ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಸಿ. Mutations which doesn't have any effect. ಯಾವುದು ಗೊತ್ತು? What is that silent mutation actually? Tell me how it happens. Genetic level ಅಲ್ಲಿ explain ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ. Don't just simply say that they will not affect. Mispairing or hydrogen base of the same kind. What do you mean by that? Prakriti, I didn't understand. ಈಗ GA ಇದು GUA ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್. GAA ಬಂದು ಎಸ್ ರಮೇಶ್, GAA ಬಂದು glutamic acid, GUA ಬಂದು valine. That is not a silent mutation. Change occurs in the last codon is right. ಅದು ಎಂತದಕ್ಕೆ one base pair is altered, no change occurs in genetic character. If the code is genetic code is ಯಾವ ತರ ಕೋಡ್ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಕೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ more than one is coded, more than one triplet codon codes for the same amino acid again ತರ character ಗೆ. We are not saying correct, Harsha. Hubal hypothesis last is not specific anta. Degenerative codon anತಾರೆ. Very good. It is called as a Prakriti. You are all roaming around and coming to the answer. It is called degenerative codon. ಅಂದ್ರೆ one more than one codon codes for the same amino acid ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಈಗ CCC ಇರೋ ಬದಲಾಗಿ CCG ಬಂದ್ರೆ also amino acid proline is only present. That's called silent mutation. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ if you have learned it, don't leave as it is. You have to learn it properly and remember that. Okay? Lifestyle will affect the human health or not? Lifestyle, third statement. It will affect. What lifestyle is bad for human health? What's the lifestyle affecting human health? ಯಾವ lifestyle human health ಗೆ affect ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? First ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಿನ್ನೋದು, sitting at one place, no exercise, then eating all bad food, deep fried food habits, ತುಂಬಾ ಉಪ್ಪಿನಕಾಯಿ ತಿನ್ನೋದು, salty food, lot of cholesterol diet and canned food, preserved food, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಟ್ಟದು. Smoking, drinking, correct? ಇವೆಲ್ಲ lifestyle ಇಂದ health affect ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, is correct. Next, genetic disorders affect ಮಾಡ್ತಾ health na, they will affect. So among this first statement, third statement, fourth statements are correct. Okay, option is C. All right? Okay, fine. So ನಿಸರ್ಗ ಈಗ ಬರಿಬಹುದು C ಅಂತ. ಇನ್ನ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಓದೋಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, now listen. The common cold is caused by, ಇದು simple and direct answer ಹೇಳಿ. Common cold is caused by rhinovirus. A ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಶ್ವೇತಾ ಸಂಗೀತ್. ರೈನೋವೈರಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಕೆಲವರ ಹತ್ರ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ರೈನೋವೈರಸ್, ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. 8ನೇ ನಂಬರ್, The toxic substance responsible for the chill and high fever occurring. Carmel children, listen to me. A toxic substance responsible for the chill and high fever recurring every 3 to 4 days in malaria is why? What is a toxic substance? Hemozoin. Very good. Hemozoin. RBC break ಆದಾಗ hemozoin release ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ chills ಮತ್ತೆ fever ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore you will get that again in recurrence. 3-4 ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Done. First one I given interferon. Interferon ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 8th question ಗೆ right now what I said no for that question. A option is interferon, B is hemozoin, C is hirudin. What is hirudin? Anybody know hirudin? ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. What do you mean by hirudin? Each is hirudin. ಬೇರೆ ಅವರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆನ್ನೆ ಆಕ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಡ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು we are all very intelligent, you are discriminating ಅಂತ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Oxford cardial people answer to me. Yeah, all of you have to answer. Hirudin andre enta answer ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. First I want their answer. I am not discriminating anybody. I am asking everybody. I don't even know who are you, right? So I will never do that. I have never done it, right? ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ರು ನಮಗೆ ಬರೀ ಬೈತೀರಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನೀವು ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಬೈತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾರಿಗೂ. I wanted everybody to get participation in this. Where are you people? Cardial children can answer. What is hirudin? Cardial students, Oxford students, answer ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay. Anticoagulant ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಲಿಖಿತಾ. Okay, from cardial. Okay. Okay, for you people, anticoagulant ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಲಿಖಿತಾ. Others be quiet. Let her answer. What is an anticoagulant, Likita? Cardial and Oxford students answer. If you know, you have to answer. If you keep quiet, then you will have complaints. What is an anticoagulant? Cardial children and Oxford children, you should answer. Okay? Because you are writing such big messages and you are not answering. There is nothing connected with your rural area. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ರೂರಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಓದಿದ್ದು. ರೂರಲ್ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Everybody should answer. It is the subject. It's a prevent blood clots. Okay. Hirudin is naturally occurring peptide in the salivary glands of the blood sucking leeches. Okay, Tilak. Right. Okay, good. Now Tilak will answer what are interferons. Immediately. Don't keep searching, Google, all that. What is interferon? Right now I told you. ನೋಡಿ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. You people have to listen to me. Oh my God, Tilak. Yellow milka. Interference yellow milka. See, you are not written right now. I told that answer. People wrote secrets in human animals. My goodness, Tilak. All others are observing you. What did I say right now? See, everything you write. Antiviral, glycoprotein, milk produced. What is that thick milk, yellow milk produced by after lactation? You are writing wrong answer, no, first. Are you taking them down? You must write them down. Everything what you know, you should not write. Okay, D option given is colostrum. See, ultimate important thing about the studies is to get knowledge, not to simply compare somebody and say complain and all. I am not complaining on anybody. I want you to get the subject, whoever you are. I am not discriminating anybody. If you are answering, I say very good. If you are not answering, I am scolding. Right? Because you people have to learn the subject. That is the ultimate aim of everybody. Okay. Next. So answer for this 8th question, toxic substance for chills and fever is hirudin. Okay. Hirudin is produced from, let me see. Tilak will answer immediately. Hirudin is produced from what? Sorry, chymosin is produced by what? You should answer immediately. You take time and you will be doing googling and searching. I don't like that. I have already answered. Next, ninth question. During the life cycle of Plasmodium, sexual reproduction takes place in which of the following hosts? Right? Sexual reproduction ella agutte. Right? Humans ella agutta, female Anopheles mosquito ella agutta, male Anopheles ella agutta, both A and B. Female Anopheles mosquito. Cardiac children, did you, sorry, the Carmel children, did you understand the question? Yes, female Anopheles mosquito. What is that life cycle called? I told you yesterday three things, no? Schizogony, gamogony, sporogony. Now you answer to my question. Leave that. Female Anopheles mosquito, gottayitu bitbidi. Next question of mine is gamogony, schizogony, sporogony. Gamogony agutte. What is schizogony? That other children answer. Carmel AC bitbidi udar answer ಮಾಡಿ. What is schizogony? Other children answer. Schizogony ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? ಹೇಗೆ multiplication? Carmel children don't answer. Others I'm asking. Carmel AC bit ಬೇರೆ answer ಮಾಡಿ. Other students other than Carmel and AC should answer. Okay, Prakriti, beta, what did I tell you? Schizogony take place in the liver or BC. Schizogony and Reno ಬೇರೆ answer ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೇ ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Points ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಅವರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವರು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ಇದು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. If you are not serious, then I will definitely ask you. Most, not only sporozoites, most of the organisms, their spores will multiply within the cell and break out the cell and come out. That is schizogony, schizonts. Okay. See, others are not answering. Only you people are answering. Okay. It is a sexual reproduction. Adane kelta idini nana Afsha. Afsha, I'm asking the same thing. Carmel ella ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಉಳಿದವರು ಯಾಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? Okay, you people have to answer if you are really wanting to study well. Today actually people logged in are also very few. 105 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, numbers ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Let me see. ಉಳಿದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು? ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಅಫ್ರೀನ್. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬೇಡಮ್ಮ. ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಅಫ್ರೀನ್ ಅಂತ ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಅದಿತಿ. ನಂಬರ್ 3 Amon, Carmel College. Number 4 Ananya. Are you writing down numbers? Number 4 Amon. Wait. Number 4 Amon. Number 5 Ananya. ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ನಂಬರ್ 6 ಅರ್ಚನಾ. ನಂಬರ್ 7 ಅರುಣ್. 8 ಅಶ್ರಿತಾ. 9 ಭೂಮಿಕಾ. 10 Chaitanya, New Oxford. 11 Chaitanya, HG. 12 Chandan. 13 Chandana, Carmel. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಯ್ತು? 12th ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? 13 Chandrika. 14 Chandru, Oxford. 15 Chinmayi, Cordial. 16 Chitra, AC. 17 Deekshita. 18 Deepika. 19 Disha. Disha aita. 20 Dhanushri. 21 Dhruti. 22 Farah. 23 Farheen Taj. Okay. 24 Prakriti. Are you getting your numbers properly? The number miss ಆದರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ. 23 ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನ. 24 ಗಾನವಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಆಕ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಡ್. 25 ಗೀತಪ್ರಿಯ. 26 ಹರ್ಷಾ. 27 ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ MH ಕಾರ್ಡಿಯಲ್. 29 ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ RAC. 30 ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ KN ಆಕ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಡ್. 31 ಹೇಮಮಯ. 31 ಹೇಮಮಯ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಯಾ. 32 ಹಿಂದೂಜಾ. 33 ಜಾಹ್ನವಿ ಜನನಿ, I'm sorry, 33 ಜನನಿ. 34 ಜೀವಿಕಾ. 35 ಕಾವೇರಿ. 36 ಕೀರ್ತನ. 37 ಕೌಶಿಕ್ ಸಾಗರ್. 38 ಕುಶಲ್. 39 ಕುಶ್ಮಿತಾ. 1 ನಂಬರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಈಗ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಮ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಗ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನೀಗ? ಕುಶ್ಮಿತಾ ಏನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು? ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕುಶ್ಮಿತಾ? ಕುಶ್ಮಿತಾ ಇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಕುಶ್ಮಿತಾ 39. ಓಕೆ, ಕುಶ್ಮಿತಾ 39. 40 ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ. 41 ಲಾವಣ್ಯ. 42 ಲೀಲಾವತಿ. 43 ಜೀವಿತಾ. 44 ಲಿಶಾ. 45 ಮನೋಜ್. 46 ಮೇಘಶ್ರೀ. 47 ಮೌಲ್ಯ. 48 ನಕ್ಷಾ. 49 ನಮ್ರತಾ. 50 ಯಾವುದು? 50 ಯಾವುದು? ನಮ್ರತಾ ಮೋಹನ್. 51 ನವೀನ್ ನವನೀತಾ. 52 ನೀರಜ್. 53 ನಿಸರ್ಗ. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎನಿವೆ ತುಂಬಾ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ 100 ಓದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಮೆಸೇಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಾಕಾ? ಮುಂದಿನವ್ರದ್ದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಓದೋಣ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ರೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನನ್ಗೆ ಹೆಸರು ಇದಾಯ್ತು, ನನ್ಗೆ ಇದಾಯ್ತು, ನಂಬರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆಯ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಯು. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫೈನ್? ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. So what I told you is Schizogonia ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, female Anopheles mosquito ಅಲ್ಲಿ Gamogonia ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, done. 10th question. Select the correct option showing the life cycle of Plasmodium. Life cycle of Plasmodium now full ಓದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Carmel children, you listen to me. B option is right. First sporozoites humor ಗೆ enter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, they enter the liver cells. Second RBC ಗೆ enter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, gamocytes in the blood ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Blood meal ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋ ಕಚ್ಚಿದಾಗ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಟು ದ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋ, ಸ್ಪೋರೋಜೋಯಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸೆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವರು. ಬಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಪೋರೋಜೋಯಿಟ್ಸ್ ಲಿವರ್. ಲಿವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಜೋಗೋನಿಯಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಆರ್ಬಿಸಿ. ಆರ್ಬಿಸಿ ಇಂದ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗೋದು, ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗೋದು ಗ್ಯಾಮೋಜೋಯಿಟ್ಸ್, ಗ್ಯಾಮೀಟ್ಸ್. These will enter the mosquito. In mosquito, there will be sexual reproduction. Sporogonia happens. Sporozoites are formed. These things you should know. Okay, next 11th question. Amoeboid dysentery, amoebiasis is caused by. Answer direct ಬರೀರಿ. ಬೇರೆಯವರು ACR ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ ಇದೆ. Carmel children. Amoeba histolytica. Okay, fine. ಎರಡನೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬಿ. ಬಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕೋಲೈ ಅಂತೀನಿ. ಈ ಕೋಲೈ ಏನ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಈ ಕೋಲೈ ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈ ಕೋಲೈ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್? ಅರೆ ಯಾರ್, ಈ ಕೋಲೈ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಡಯೇರಿಯಾ, ಒನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಯೇರಿಯಾ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಗುಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ. ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಪ್ಟೋಕಾಕಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಮೋನಿಯಾ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಟ್ರೈಕೋಪೈಟೋನ್ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಲೀವ್ ಇಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ, ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, 13th ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಅಪಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ dry scaly lesions with itching on various parts of the body are the symptoms of which disease? ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ, ACR ಸುಮ್ಮನಿರಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿ, ಕಾರ್ಮೆಲ್ ಅವರು ರಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ರಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಮ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ರ? ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಓದಿದ್ದೇನಾ? ರಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ read the statement. I will read the statement. Listen. First one, ಇದು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. 14th question ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ 15th question elephantiasis is a chronic inflammation that results in the gross deformities caused by carmel children ಹೇಳಿ अरे यार गौरी so fast you people will want to type और ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡ್ರು they don't have the book man Pucher area bankruptcy full ಬರೀರಿ Pucher area spelling ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ Pucher area spelling correct ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ Pucher area bankruptcy okay good next elephantiasis ಆಯ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ascaris ಅಂತ ascaris ಇಂದ ascaris ಯಾವ ಕಾಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ascaris lumbricoides ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ascariasis equally one kind of disease trichophyton is ringworm okay next 16th question 16th question okay good 16th question gambusia is a fish which is being introduced to the pond in order to check the vector borne diseases such as ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಗ್ಯಾಂಬೂಸಿಯಾ ಬೇರೆ ಅವರು ಕಾರ್ಮೆಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗ್ಯಾಂಬೂಸಿಯಾ ಫಿಶ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಕಾರ್ಮೆಲ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗ್ಯಾಂಬೂಸಿಯಾ ಫಿಶ್ ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಹಲೋ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಕಾರ್ಮೆಲ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಸ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋ ಅಲ್ಲ ಫೀಡ್ ಆನ್ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋ ಲಾರ್ವೆ ಅರೆ ಬೇಟಾ they will not prevent communicable disease chandana what are you writing introducing ponds and contaminated water bodies ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕ್ಲೀನರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಇಟ್ ಈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ದ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋ ಲಾರ್ವೆ ಗ್ಯಾಂಬೂಸಿಯಾ ಫಿಶ್ ಬಂದು ಅವ್ನು ತಿನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಲೀನಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅವರ್ ಕ್ಲೀನಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಒರೆಸಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋ ಲಾರ್ವೆನ ತಿನ್ಕೊಳ್ತದೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಈಟ್ ದ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋ ಲಾರ್ವೆ ಫೀಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋ ಲಾರ್ವೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಗ್ಯಾಂಬೂಸಿಯಾ ಫಿಶ್ okay now let me read the whole question gambusia fish which is being introduced to the pond in order to check the vector-borne diseases such as ಯಾವ disease vector borne ಅಂತ first option is dengue carmel answer ಮಾಡಿ dengue second ಬಂದು malaria third ಬಂದು chikungunya ಯಾವುದು vector borne disease ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ gambusia ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ which of the among the three diseases are stopped by gambusia fish all of them good carmel students are now answering so next class baro ashtottige ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ I have to read the whole question for yourself carmel students understood did you get what I am saying yesterday I told you to get somehow you didn't get it next which of the following idralli illa namage ee question agilla so let us go to the question number 18th question an internal parasite which causes the blockage of intestinal passage and whose eggs are extracted along with the feces of infected person is dash did you get it ayyo baba ascaris okay good intestinal parasite and ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ Wuchereria bankruptcy where it is the parasite where it will become parasite Wuchereria bankruptcy ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ lymph nodes and lymph ducts lymph vessels ಮತ್ತೆ lymph nodes and lymph vessels okay good next 19th question match the following columns 1 and 2 one side ge ಓದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ABCD ಅಲ್ಲ okay good second option second column ಆಮೇಲೆ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ you may not be convenient in with this answer reading because there is a match the following ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ column A 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು A sporozoite B filariasis C typhoid 4 D chikungunya column B ಇರೋದು infectious form second one Aedes mosquito third one Wuchereria fourth one Widal test right ಈಗ ಕಾರ್ಮೆಲ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬರೆಯಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್, ಬೇರೆಯವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕಿದೆ. You will have to take it down. It's a D option. Good. 20th question. Use of vaccines and immunization programs has controlled which of the following infectious disease? Immunity programs, vaccines, immunity immunization programs. So some of the diseases they have overcome, controlled. Okay. Telescopy very very answer na. Inna odila puta Sanjay Prabha. I have to read, no? How the others will answer if you write D. Try to understand. They don't have book. Okay, I'll read it. A option. Carmel College Kelskoli. Which of the immunization programs and vaccines have stopped these diseases? I'll read the name of the diseases. First option says polio and tetanus. Is that eradicated now? Is that eradicated now, Carmel children? Yes. Second option is the diphtheria and pneumonia. Do you have the vaccines and all for that? Vaccine immunization is there. C. Cancer and AIDS. Cancer cannot be India. Vaccination no? No. Therefore, first A option, B option correct. That is the D option. Polio and tetanus and diphtheria and pneumonia. Okay, fine. Are eradicated. They have been controlled. Eradicated. Damar. Kali agbidu. Ide inna. Kadime agide ashte. Eradicate onde agidu. Smallpox. Complete eradicated smallpox. Madhya. One disease was totally eradicated. That was plague. Alva. Ag matte return agide. Plague. Okay, done. Next. Okay, 22nd question. Virus infected cell secretes the protein which is called as, this is a known question. Histamines, colostrum, interferons, interleukins. Interferons. What are the Carmel children? None of this question what is the interferons? Okay. Defense. Antibody. We don't have this. Okay. Next question is 33. 33rd question. Which of the following pairs correctly matches a disease and the pathogen causing it? Okay, I read it. Interleukins ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, biotechnology ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸುದೀಪ್ತ, good question. Interleukins ನ biotechnology ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. 27th question ಇದೆಯಾ? 27th ಏನಿದೆ? Okay. 27 ಏನಿದೆ? Hepatitis B vaccine is produced from, it is actually the second vaccine is produced by the yeast. Okay, 27th question correct. Identify madidira. Hepatitis B vaccine is produced from yeast. Yeast nalli inject madi they will grow it. That's YAC. I told you once BAC, YAC. Do you remember what is BAC, YAC? What is YAC? What is BAC? It is connected to that. They are connected subjects. YAC, BAC and they know. Yeast artificial chromosome, very good. BAC and bacterial artificial chromosome. Whenever they want to prepare the vaccines and the yeast yeast DNA mele, they will transfer the pathogen hepatitis B viral gene. Then multiply yeast, heat kill and inject it. That's how it's the secondary vaccines. Second order vaccines are direct pathogen kodala. Okay. Did you understand what I said? They are called second. What is second vaccine now? Tell me. What are secondary vaccines? Primary vaccine is direct the heat kill pathogen and weak mani kodtare. What are the secondary vaccines? Secondary vaccines yado? No. I explained. ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಒಬ್ಬರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಲ್ವ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಇನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಳಿದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Listen to me. When I'm saying it, you listen to me. Secondary vaccines ಅಂದ್ರೆ direct pathogen ಅನ್ನ weak ಮಾಡಿ inject ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Direct pathogen ಅನ್ನ weaken ಮಾಡಿ inject ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ first vaccine, the primary vaccines. Secondary vaccines ಅಂದ್ರೆ okay, then listen, I'm reading, no? Cardial children, you also are not got transcendent. That's why I'm reading. I'm reading. Leave that. Now tell me, listen to me. Mitral ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Primary vaccine, secondary vaccines and difference ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Primary vaccines ಅಂದ್ರೆ they take the pathogen, either heat kill or they weaken them, they inject. They are called the primary vaccines. First vaccines. Okay. Second vaccines ಅಂದ್ರೆ no. Secondary vaccines ಅಂದ್ರೆ the pathogenic DNA is cut, taken out, inserted in the yeast. ಆಮೇಲೆ yeast ಅನ್ನ multiply ಮಾಡಿ heat kill ಮಾಡಿ inject ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ for secondary vaccines. Did you understand now? Okay, cardiac children bitaki. Tell me the difference. Now tell me how the secondary vaccines are prepared. It's not given in the book. Tell me. Now I explain it. Okay, Chandrika, explain me. I explain you right now. Leave the transact category. Soft copy concept. Now tell me what are secondary vaccines. Okay, let me explain you on the board. Okay, explain what the board ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳದೆ ಹೊತ್ತು ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. Okay, listen. So, how they produce vaccines? So, vaccines are attenuated microorganisms. Okay, what is it? These are vaccines are the weak pathogens injected into a healthy person. They are called vaccines. Okay. Vaccines and antibiotics. Antibiotics and you are taking one kind of microorganism to kill another microorganism. Vaccines and adala. If typhoid barta idre, typhoid vaccines are containing typhoid pathogen only in their weak form. Okay. Idana inject ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ healthy person ಗೆ, then they will develop immunity. Okay. Now vaccines ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ತರ ಇದೆ. First ಏನಂತಾರೆ primary vaccines. Primary vaccines ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? They directly take the pathogen bacteria. Pathogen ಅನ್ನ heat kill ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Heat kill ಮಾಡಿ this they will use it as the vaccine. Inject into the human being. This is the primary vaccines. Second ಏನಂತಾರೆ secondary vaccines ಇದು. Secondary vaccines ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? These are the pathogens. Genes are taken that are pathogenic genes. Gene is cut and removed. Idana cut ಮಾಡಿ remove ಮಾಡಿ then they inject into the yeast genome. Yeast genome ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. yeast ಇದೆಯಾ, ಈ genome ಅಲ್ಲಿ cut and modify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು pathogenic gene ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದು recombinant DNA ಇದು. ಇದೆ ಬಯೋಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು yeast ನ recombinant yeast ನ they will multiply, then heat kill and use as a vaccine. This is called secondary vaccine. Did you understand these vaccines? ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ. ಬುಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು, ಇನ್ನ ಬುಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬುಕ್ ತರಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಹೆಂಗಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನೇನಿತ್ತು ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ, you should ask. Okay, leave that now. Did you understand what are vaccines? All of you by next class you should have book with you or material, study material with you. Ella godaita? Did you understand? See what is there on the board, you write it down somewhere, points. Point ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ. ಏನ್ primary vaccines ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? Primary vaccines and write it as some points. Have you written it? Written ma'am ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ರಿಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ. ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಏನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ. ರೈಟಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ. Anyway. Okay, good. Did you understand what are the maxes then? See, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ secondary vaccines again? Okay, I will do. Actually, it is a biotechnology thing. Okay, primary vaccines ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಟೈಫಾಯ್ಡ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 10 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಫಾಯ್ಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಫಾಯ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ. ಲಿಸನ್ ಟು ಮಿ. ನೀ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 4-5 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಟೈಫಾಯ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ, ಯು ಮೇ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ಸ್. ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಟೈಫಾಯ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾಥೋಜನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಟೈಫಿ, ಸಾಲ್ಮೊನೆಲ್ಲಾ ಟೈಫಿ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಕಿಲ್, ವೀಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಯಾಥೋಜನ್ and it will produce antibodies. I'll tell you how antibodies are produced in the future. Next class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಆಂಟಿಬಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ನಂಬರ್. Then when real disease causing pathogen enters also, our body will be ready with the antibodies. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ vaccination. Then this is the normal way of vaccinating our body. ಆದ್ರೆ ಸುಮಾರು ವೈರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ವೈರಸ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡೆಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ವೈರಲ್ DNA ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್, ಆ DNA ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ದ ವೈರಲ್ DNA. ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್? ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಜೀನೋಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಹಂಗೆ ಆ ವೈರಲ್ ಜೀನೋಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Then they will identify which is the part of DNA that is causing disease. A part of the DNA na cut ಮಾಡಿ they insert it into the yeast gene, yeast DNA. Are you getting it? Yeast genome alle ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು then they will multiply the yeast. The yeast which has got new DNA is called the recombinant yeast or recombinant DNA. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಕಿಲ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ದೆನ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಸರ್ಗ. ನಾನಾಗೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನನಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲಿಸನ್. So secondary vaccines are prepared using yeast ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. You understood, correct? I want you to tell me answers. Okay? Yeast ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹಾಕೋ ಜೀನ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಫಾರಿನ್ ಜೀನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ. How do you cut the genome of yeast? It is using RNA enzyme. ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. RNA ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ ಜೀನೋಮ್ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. PCR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿಸರ್ಗ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್. PCR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಜೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ RNA ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಜೀನ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನೇ ರಿಕಾಂಬಿನೆಂಟ್ DNA ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಅಥವಾ ಜೆನೆಟಿಕ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ರ ಜೀನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ರೈಟ್? ಒಂದೆರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದೇ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ಸ್. ಮುಂದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ತೇವೆ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ವೀಕ್ ಪ್ಯಾಥೋಜನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಬರ್ದ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೀಟ್ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಪಕ್ಕ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೀಕ್ ಪ್ಯಾಥೋಜನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ. Did you write? Second one. First point, vaccines. Andre, types of vaccines, two: primary vaccines, secondary vaccines. First one, primary vaccines. These are developed directly from the pathogen. These are developed directly from the pathogen by attenuating them. Attenuate, A-T-T-E-N-U-I-A-T-I-N-G, attenuating them. Attenuation ಅಂದ್ರೆ weak ಮಾಡೋದು. By attenuating them. ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Okay, I repeat. Primary vaccines are developed from the pathogen by attenuating, A-T-T-E-N-U-A-T-I-N-G, attenuating them. Done. Most of the vaccines for bacterial diseases are primary vaccines. Right? Most of the vaccines for the bacterial diseases are primary vaccines. Next, secondary vaccines. These are the vaccines developed from yeast after genetically engineering its genome. After genetically engineering its genome with a pathogenic gene. Genetically engineering its genome with a pathogenic gene. Then most of the viral vaccines are secondary vaccines. Most of the viral vaccines are secondary vaccines. What now? Okay then. So let's continue. Okay, 32nd question. Which of the following statement is true? Carmel children, listen to me. Yav the true statement. The first statement, true or false. T is T, F is F. But A, T and A statement, true is T. Two statement, false is F. Okay, first statement. Dysentery, plague, and diphtheria are viral diseases. True or false? True. True. True now. Oh my God. True now, false. False. F. A is false, correct. Because they are not viral disease. Second option. Okay, leave. B option. HIV replicates in the host cell with the help of reverse transcriptase enzyme. But it is true. B is true because HIV replicates through reverse transcription. C option. Disease ringworm disappears during summer and rainy seasons. C option is there. Ringworm disease disappears during summer and rainy season. Actually, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ವಾ ಬೆರಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮಧ್ಯ ಸೆಲ್ತ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ rainy name ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. It's a false statement. Next, common cold would be confirmed by Vidal test. The option is false. Okay. ಇವೆಲ್ಲದೂ ಟ್ರೂ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇರೋದು. HIV replicates in the host through reverse transcription. That's a B option is the right. Got it? Fine. 33 question. 33rd. Which of the following pairs correctly matches a disease and pathogen? Okay? ನಾನು disease ಓದ್ತೀನಿ, pathogens ಓದ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾವುದು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. disease ಮತ್ತೆ pathogen. ಅರೆ ಯಾರು ನಿಸರ್ಗ ವೇಟ್ ಬಿಡಿ, ಓದ್ಲಾ ಬೇಡವಾ ನಾನು? You are intelligent, I know, dear. Let others know. ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಬುಕ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಚಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. Okay? Okay, listen. Carmel children and Oxford children. Typhoid by Salmonella typhi. First option. Yes or no? Yes. Second option. Pneumonia, Haemophilus pneumoniae. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hemophilia. Sorry. Pneumonia by Haemophilus pneumoniae. Yes or no? No. No. Correct. Malaria, Ascaris lumbricoides. No. Ringworm, Entamoeba histolytica. No. Therefore, only first option is right. Okay. So, is the more accurate question bitbidoಣ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಓದೋಣ. Okay. 39th question. 39. Which of the following disease cannot be cured by taking antibiotics? ಯಾವ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಓದೋ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ antibiotic ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಲ್ಲ? First one, plague. Will you take antibiotics for plague? What do you take for plague? plague ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ? ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ plague ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು? ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದೇರ್. ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. plague ಗೆ ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ? What is that plague? For plague you take? plague ಬಂದಾಗ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. ಏನದು? ಕಮಾನ್ ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ನೋಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಬೇಬಿ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಗೌರಿ, ನಾನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ? ಕೇಳಿದಿರೋದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನು? ಪ್ಲೇಗಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಕತೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. No, Shweta, wrong. Streptomycin is antibiotic. Vaccine is wrong. Plague ತೆಗಿರಿ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ತೆಗೆದು ಓದಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಬುಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ? I have given antibiotic, not antibiotic, the medicine for plague. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. Wrong. No. Plague ಏನೇ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಬರುತ್ತಮ್ಮ? ಪ್ಲೇಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಬರಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಇದೆ. ಏನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಗ್ ಗೆ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್? ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬರ್ಸಿರೋ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಂಟಿಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ. ಮಲೇರಿಯಾ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ? ಮಲೇರಿಯಾ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಏನು? ಓಕೆ, ಒನ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಂಟಿಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮಲೇರಿಯಾ ಯಾವುದು ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮಲೇರಿಯಾ? ಸಿಂಕೋನಾ ಬಾರ್ಕ್ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ವಿನೈನ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯು. Quinine is a raw name. Chemical name, two names I have given you. Chloroquine ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನು? Primaquine. ಎರಡಿದೆ. Primaquine and chloroquine. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Okay. Chloroquine, quinine phosphate. Okay, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Okay. So you can take first one. Can you take the antibiotics for plague? You cannot take. You can take for plague. Plague is a bacterial disease, alva? Plague causal organism ado. Plague is what causal organism bari nodala. What's the causal organism for plague? Name of the bacteria. Plague is what causal organism bari nodala. Yes, ma'am. Enamma. Yersinia Yersilia ಅಲ್ಲ Yersinia pestis. Yersinia pestis correct. So plague ಗೆ ಆಂಟಿಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ನಡೀತದೆ. ಎರಡನೇದು ಅಮೀಬಿಯಾಸಿಸ್. ಅಮೀಬಿಯಾಸಿಸ್ ಗೆ ಆಂಟಿಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಾ? ಅಮೀಬಿಯಾ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅಮೀಬಿಯಾಸಿಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ no, you can't take because why? Amoebiasis ಗೆ antibiotic work ಆಗಲ್ಲ. It is a protozoan disease. It's not a microorganism. It's not a bacteria. Leprosy antibiotic ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಾ? Good. Leprosy you can take antibiotic. Whooping cough ಗೆ antibiotic ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. So only amoebiasis you cannot take the antibiotics. Amoebiasis is not nematodal disease free Gauri. Amoeba nematode ana. Gauri. Amoeba is not nematoda. Amoeba is a protozoan. Okay, next. 40th question. Which of the following disease is caused by the bite of female mosquito vector? Filariasis, amoebiasis, typhoid, pneumonia. Which one? Caused by the mosquito. Filariasis. ಯಾವ್ದದು mosquito ಹೆಸರೇನು? Name of the mosquito. Yashashwini. Tulex mosquito is right. Amoebiasis alla. Next 41st question. Match the following. ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ pathology ಕಡೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Amoebiasis, diphtheria, cholera, syphilis. Column 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ Treponema pallidum. Use only sterilized food and water. DPT vaccine, oral rehydration therapy. So here is the second option correct. ಅಂದ್ರೆ amoebiasis ಗೆ ಬಂದು use the only sterilized food and water. Diphtheria ಬಂದು DPT vaccine. Cholera ಬಂದು fourth one oral rehydration therapy. ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಾಗ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿತಾರೆ cholera ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನೋ ಸಿಗ್ತದಲ್ವಾ ಕುಡಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿ. cholera ಬಂದಾಗ ಡಿಹೈಡ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ವಾ. what you take if at all you get dehydrated? what you take? ORS ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ rehydration therapy ಅಂತಾರೆ. good Zara. Syphilis ಬಂದು Treponema pallidum. Good. Which of the following is not matched? 43 question. I will read 43rd question. Which is not right match? First one dengue fever, flaviribiovirus. Correct or tappa? A option ಅಲ್ಲಿ dengue fever ಬಂದು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? flaviribiovirus. Correct? Correct. B ನಲ್ಲಿ syphilis by trichuria ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. It's wrong. syphilis ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್? ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? syphilis ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? ಅರೆ ಬೇಟಾ what to write? syphilis caused by what? Treponema pallidum. Good. plague ಬಂದು Yersinia pestis, filariasis ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು Wuchereria bankruptcy. So option B is wrongly matched. Next 48th question. 48. Which of the following is affected by the infection of Wuchereria bankruptcy? Lymphatic vessels, respiratory system, nervous system, blood circulation. Which is affected? Lymphatic vessels. So remaining all about the diseases, future things. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಓದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಅವಾಗ ಇರೋವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದಂಗೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡೋಣ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ 8th question is there. 8th question in practice corner. Do you have it with you? Match the column 1 and column 2. Second one is yeah. Okay, second one is there. Sanjay is right. Prakriti is right. Statement 1. Correct statement ಯಾವುದು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು? Statement 1. Malarial parasite requires 2 hosts, humans and mosquito, to complete the life cycle. True or false? True. Okay, true. Statement 2. Hemozoin is a toxic substance produced by the rupturing of liver cells during malaria. True or false? Carmel children. False. So only first one is true statement. Okay, next. Fifth question. Question number 5. A person has developed interferons in the body. He seems to carry which infection? ಒಬ್ಬನಿಗೆ ಬಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಫೆರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ, ಅವನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕಾರ್ಮೆಲ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Carmel children should only answer, okay? And Oxford children, those who are not good, should answer. First says tetanus. Only interferons ಇದೆ body ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ what infection he might have got. First one tetanus ಬಂದಿರಬಹುದಾ? ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. Carmel children ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೀ ಇದೆ, ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಸುದೀಪ್ತನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? No. They will not have tetanus. Is that malaria they had? Second option. Malaria. Malaria, is it a viral? It is a protozoan disease. C is measles. Measles, yes or no? Measles, C. Yes. It is a malaria. That is a measles is a viral disease. Fourth one is typhoid. Typhoid is bad. Will they develop interferons for typhoid? No. So what is the right option then now? Hafsha? What is the right option then? Hafsha, Padial children should answer. C. Okay, good. So C is the right option because it is a viral disease. Then you will develop interferons in the body. Good. Next, eighth question, number 8. Question number 8. Match the following. ನಾನು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಎ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲಶ್ಮೇನಿಯಾ ಡೊನೋವಾನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಲೆಶ್ಮೇನಿಯಾಸಿಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 8th ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಲೆಶ್ಮೇನಿಯಾ ಡೊನೋವಾನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಉಚೆರೇರಿಯಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ರಫ್ಟಿ ಬಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಉಚೆರೇರಿಯಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ರಫ್ಟಿ ಯಾವುದು ಡಿಸೀಸ್? ಫಿಲೇರಿಯಾಸಿಸ್. Okay, Treponema gambiensis. Treponema gambiensis. Treponema and yaad barutte? Sleeping sickness barutte, African sleeping sickness. Entamoeba histolytica amoebiasis barutte. Then what is Leishmania donovani causing? B25, C24, D22, A23, Kala Azar. Leishmania donovani cause Kala Azar. ಬರ್ಕೊಬಿಡಿ, 4 ಲೈನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಬಿಡಿ. ಏನೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. 4 ಬರೀರಿ. ಕಾಸಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. 4 1 2 3 4 4 ಬರೀರಿ ಒಂದೇ ಸರ್ತಿ. Leishmania donovani causing that. Ucheraria causing this. Treponema causing this. Entamoeba causing this. All the 4 you write. Let me see. 4 ಬರೀರಿ. With the pathogen Leishmania Kala Azar. Second one, Ucheraria causing. Ucheraria causing filariasis. Treponema gambiensis causing. Treponema gambiensis causing. Treponema gambiensis. What will it cause? Sleeping sickness. Entamoeba histolytica causes the amoebiasis. Actually, sleeping sickness ali It is transmitted through the sand fly. Okay, listen. Now, those the African sleeping sickness, it transfers to sand fly and it enters the cerebrospinal fluid. Avaglu, they'll be sleeping. And which cold bile and whatever. So, African sleeping sickness. Correct? African sleeping sickness transferred through the mosquito. Ninth question. Pneumonia cold, common cold differs from pneumonia in that. First one, pneumonia is caused by virus, whereas common cold is caused by bacteria. Is it right? True na? Oh my God. No, it's not true. Pneumonia is caused by bacteria. Common cold is by virus. Second one, pneumonia pathogen infects the alveoli. As common cold affects the nose and respiratory passages, but not the lungs. It is right. Pneumonia hogi alveoli ko direct lung ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. But ಇದು ಬಂದು common cold ಬಂದು nasal tract, upper respiratory tract ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It's the right thing. Pneumonia is non-communicable disease, but common cold is a communicable disease. Is wrong. Okay, it's wrong statement. Pneumonia can be prevented by a live attenuated bacteria by vaccine, whereas common cold has no effective vaccines. It's the wrong option. Okay, therefore, the option number B is right for my question. 11th question, 11 number. Study carefully the following stages of life cycle of malarial parasite of Plasmodium. Arrange these sequences in the correct sequence and select the correct answer. Nanu statement outini yav first yav second anta malaria adu helbeko. Alright, first statement. Sporozoids leave the bloodstream and enter the liver cells of man. First option kottidare. Second, sporozoids present in the salivary glands of female Anopheles mosquito are injected into the human bloodstream. ಇದೆಯಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಎರಡನೇದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೊರೋಸೈಟ್ಸ್ ಲಿವರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Third says parasite reproduces asexually in RBC, resulting in the bursting of RBC and causing the cycles of fever and released parasite. Okay. Next, parasite reproduces asexually in liver cells becomes the third statement. Asexually, ultimately causing the rupture of liver cells. Next statement is two types of gametocytes, microgametocytes and macrogametocytes, develop in the RBC. Next, idu RBC ಬಂದು fourth, idu fifth. Female Anopheles mosquito takes the gametocytes with a blood meal of an infected person. It was the sixth. Mature infective stage of the parasite. The sporozoids escape from the intestine and migrate into the salivary glands. Seventh. Itara story ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. First ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Mosquito bite ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ sporozoids enter the bloodstream, enter the liver. Okay, first. In liver cells they multiply. They break open liver cells, go to the RBC. They break RBC and gametocytes are produced. Gametocytes are sucked by the mosquito. Then the mosquito, there is the reproduction and you go to the sporozoids, go to the saliva of it and they will migrate. Therefore, it should be option second should come first, 2, then 1 should come second, then option number 3 is fourth option. Okay, 3. Okay, the first option seems to be right. 2, 1, 4. Good. 2, 1, 4. 3, 5, 6, 8, 7. The option is right. Okay. So anyway, we are almost closing the session. This chapter almost all agoytu. Next class bandaga molecular biology hodana. Fine. Molecular biology. Before that, listen, Oxford students and our Carmel children, you should get the book by somehow. ಹೋಗಿ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡಾರು ಬನ್ನಿ, sir request ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು you ask them to get the soft copy at least. ಯಾವುದು molecular biology ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ next week ಗೆ done na? Okay, fine. So let us close the session. See you then. Bye. Have a safe time, safe day. See you. Bye. Thank you. So now I think Carmel College have no problem. I read all the questions. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಏಯ್ ಇವನು Samyak ಎಲ್ಲಿ? Samyak, you are there? Are you exited already? Thank you, dear. Thank you, all of you. Thank you so much. So Samyak is done. Exit, huh? Okay. See you then. Bye. See you. Bye. All of you. Bye. Enjoy.